Okay, here is a 42-inch white ceiling fan. I'm still not 100% sure on the brand and model of this fan. On the previous video of this fan, I got a lot of different guesses. Some people saying it was a Heritage, other people saying it was a Gulf Coast, someone saying it was a Housley, and so on and so forth. So I'm still not 100% sure on what this fan is. Again, if you have any ideas of what it could be, leave a comment below. It's got stencil blades, just plain white on the other side. GE vents. There's the top. Does have a few stickers. It's got a plastic down rod that isn't white for some reason. Just a basic ball and socket mounting system. The brackets are pretty bent out of shape. For example, these two blades aren't even straight with each other. You can see that that one's like off to the right a little bit. And another thing is that it's so off balance that sometimes it spins all by itself. Like it's turned off by the chain, you can see it's spinning on its own. See, these two blades line up right. And yeah, so the brackets are pretty bent out of shape, but I did put different brackets on here at one point, but they didn't like the arms didn't dip down far enough, so I just put the old ones back on. Maybe I'll find maybe I'll put the other ones back on, I don't know. Anyways, so now we'll demonstrate it. There's low. And in case you couldn't already tell, I did install this fan in the bathroom along with the Ventra and Delta 2. Replaced the Littleton. And it does fit in here, but we couldn't put a light on it. It does have a motor hum. Medium. And the out of pitch blades does cause the fan to wobble quite a bit. There's a very small wobble on medium. You probably can't notice, or you probably can't tell from the camera, but on high it has quite the wobble. Not as bad as the first time I installed it, but it's still pretty bad. High speed. Yeah, the motor is shaking quite a bit. Blows a pretty good amount of air, although it may actually not blow as much as the Littleton. And off. So there you go. This is my 42-inch unknown ceiling fan installed in the bathroom. Once again, if anybody has any idea of what the brand or model could be, let me know. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.